In only 30 days, I achieved incredible results with my LSU Gold fig. These roots, looking like spaghetti, are truly an amazing sight to behold. These particular air layers are pretty much ready to harvest and pot up. This LSU Gold fig is thriving in a 15-gallon container, and I have successfully air layered it. The process began on August 28th, and in exactly 1 month later in September, the roots have almost completely started to cover the rooting Ziploc bag. I carefully selected each branch of the tree, and I had to make strategic cuts to induce rooting. This really shows the effectiveness of using this simple method to be able to air layer your own fruit trees. I made an incision to each branch, and I carefully scratched away at the cambium layer and then used Ziploc bags and zip ties to secure the rooting medium. The substrate I used was purely peat moss with a little bit of rooting hormone added to encourage vigorous root development, and the results are astounding. It is now time to remove it from the mother tree. Basically, I created 4 mini-me's out of the same exact fruitful variety. Here you can see the air layers from a lower angle, and there is multiple air layers. 1 here, 2 over there, 3, and 4 over here. All ready to harvest, with roots completely engulfing the peat moss bags. Every air layer is successful, also well rooted. The fascinating part is that these air layer branches are still producing figs, which I will need to remove so the plant can focus its energy on root development during its first year. As you can see, the roots are developing beautifully. While this one still needs a little bit more time, overall everything is growing spectacularly and looks incredibly healthy. I even found a little ladybug doing its thing this morning. It flew away, but it was a cool moment. This short video highlights why you should consider air layering your favorite fruit trees, especially valuable varieties like the LSU Gold fig. Trees can be quite pricey, and air layering allows you to create an endless supply of fruit trees right in your own backyard. Thank you for watching. Keep growing. Peace.